Mastering the art of evasion. Understanding, duck out of the way. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might sound a bit quirky at first: duck out of the way. This phrase is a fantastic example of how English uses vivid imagery to convey actions and reactions. Let's break it down together, shall we? At its core, duck out of the way involves two main concepts. Firstly, the word duck, in this context, doesn't refer to the bird, but rather to a quick, downward movement. It's as if you're dodging something that's coming towards you. Secondly, out of the way means moving to a position where you're no longer in the path of something. Combine these ideas, and you get a clear picture: moving quickly to avoid something by lowering your body or head. Understanding a phrase is one thing, but seeing it in action brings it to life. Duck out of the way is often used in situations where someone needs to avoid a physical object, like a ball flying towards them, or even in metaphorical senses, such as avoiding a difficult situation. Here are a few examples. During the baseball game, I had to duck out of the way of a foul ball. In the busy marketplace, vendors and shoppers often duck out of the way of fast-moving carts. When the conversation turned to politics, Mia tried to duck out of the way by changing the subject. To really grasp the essence of duck out of the way, imagine you're walking down the street, and a cyclist suddenly comes speeding towards you. Your instinctual reaction is to lower your body quickly and step aside. This is ducking out of the way in a nutshell. It's a survival instinct, a swift movement to protect oneself. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, duck out of the way. We hope this explanation helps you understand not just the words themselves, but the vivid imagery and action they convey. English is full of such expressions, and mastering them will make you even more proficient in the language. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to duck out of the way of confusion by subscribing to our channel for more enlightening videos.